Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Did you know colors can make everything more exciting and fun? Let's dive into the world of colors and see how they paint our lives in magical ways.
Sorrow, do you see that? The sky is so blue and big today.
Yeah,
And the grass is so green. It's like a perfect day for colors. What do you mean, colors? Well, everything around us is made of colors. The sky is blue. The sun is yellow. And the flowers are all sorts of colors. I wonder if colors can talk.
Hey there, friends. I'm Red Rocky. I'm the color of apples and fire. I make everything feel full of energy and warmth.
Whoa! Red Rocky, you're so bright. What are you doing here?
I heard you talking about colors. I just had to join the fun.
Red Rocky, you're so bright. But why do you look so full of energy?
Well, I'm the color that stands out. People can't miss me. I'm used for warning signs, like a red stop sign, to make sure you pay attention. I make things feel bold and important.
I think that's why I see red on fire trucks and apples. You really do stand out.
Exactly. You'll see me everywhere when you need a boost of energy.
Hello. I'm Blue Breezy. The color of the sky, the ocean, and calm days. I make everything feel peaceful and cool.
Blue Breezy, you make me feel so calm just by looking at you.
That's my job. I'm the color of relaxation. When you look at me, you feel like everything is peaceful and cool, just like a quiet day at the beach.
I see you everywhere in the sky. You make the day feel peaceful.
That's right. I'm all about making things feel calm and refreshing. So whenever you need a little peace, just look at me.
hey, girls. How about we explore more colors while we relax here? There are so many colors in nature that we haven't talked about yet.
Oh, yes, I love all the colors I see. The flowers, the grass, the sky. But there's so much more. Tell us, Mama. I want to know about more colors.
Well, look up. There's a color that you see almost every day. The color of sunshine, happiness, and warmth.
I'm Yellow Sunny, the color of sunshine and all things happy. I make everything bright, warm, and cheerful.
You're like the sun, Yellow Sunny. You make everything feel warm and fun.
That's right, Mina. I'm the color of light and joy. You'll find me in flowers like sunflowers, in your favorite bananas, and even in the bright yellow school bus that picks you up for school.
You're everywhere in the garden, too. You make the flowers look so happy.
Exactly. Yellow Sunny helps bring joy and warmth to everything around us. She's the perfect color for happiness.
All these plants are so green and peaceful. I wonder how they grow so tall and strong. What makes them so full of life?
Hello, Mina. It looks like you're thinking about something.
Oh, who are you?
I'm Green Leafy. I'm the color of nature, the trees, the grass, and everything that grows. I help make things feel fresh, calm, and full of life.
You're the color of all these plants. You make everything feel so peaceful here.
That's right. I'm the color of life. You see me in the trees, the grass, and even in your vegetables at home.
So, you're the reason these plants grow. You're like their secret helper.
Yes, Mina.
I'm so lucky to be surrounded by all of you. It feels like the world is a giant painting full of life, happiness, and peace.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of these is a color you see in the rainbow? Option A, blue. Option B, red. The rainbow has many bright colors, like the sky and the ocean. Hence, option A is correct. Which picture shows a color that you can see in the sun? Option A, yellow. Option B, green. Excellent. Option A is right, which shows the yellow color. Which picture shows a color that is not in the rainbow? Option A, a red apple. Option B, Bob gray cloud. Good job! Option A is correct. Pink is a light version of red. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. Pink is made by mixing red with white. Brown is a primary color. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and they cannot be made by mixing other colors. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll bring things to life with colors. Grab your crayons and get ready for a splash of creativity. See you soon!